Hello, Oliver here from the company Trading Europe, and in this video I want to show you what we have in the warehouse. It is original Dyson body and Cyclone for your Dyson cordless vacuum. As you might already know, we often have Dyson original spare parts, accessories and batteries in the warehouse for sale. If you need any more information, please contact me or one of my colleagues and we will be able to assist you. For more information, please look at under the video. Thank you for watching it. See you next time.